I see so many videos of people saying, well, tell me what to do. All these people are saying they're making all this money online, but nobody's telling me what they're doing. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I do and what you can do too. First off, you don't need anything fancy. The only thing you need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, and a cell phone. The next thing you need is you just need to create these short form videos. And the main thing is you need to be consistent. Don't get caught up in what all the gurus are saying by SEO this or post 5 times a day, post it this hour, that hour. Don't worry about all that BS when you're first starting out, because your goal is to get comfortable creating these videos and showing up every single day. Now, if you are going to recommend something, this is what I do. I recommend a course that's already created for me. I'm leveraging somebody else's work because I didn't have the money to create my own course. I didn't have the team of people, the manpower to create a course. So I was like, I would love to make money online, but how am I gonna do that when I don't have the money or the team to create my own product? So I purchased a product and it has a license attached to it. And those license is a resale right license or the master resale rights license. That just means that I can sell it over and over and over for 100% of that profit. And I don't have to share that money with anybody. It goes right into my pocket and then into my bank account. So now after I purchased that course, there are some things you're going to need. You have to go to GoDaddy. It's a website that you purchase a domain name and a professional email. It's probably going to run you $20 to $50 for the year. The next thing you're going to need is a software like System.io, ClickFunnels. There's many out there. I think there's one called GetResponse, but I use System.io. And I set up my automated system that runs for me 24/7. Now, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to allow you to clone my sales funnel and my email campaign. You're going to clone it. It's going to go right into your System.io. And that's all you have to do is edit it. And I'm going to be there for you to help you and teach you how to do that. Now, after you have your automated system set up, the only thing you have to do is show up every single day and market that product. And you can do that by sharing your journey. How's it going? What have you learned? Because you want to get people to know, like, and trust you. And then you want to find your perfect customer. And that perfect customer is probably someone like you. So maybe if you are in healthcare, or maybe you've worked in construction, or maybe you're in a job that you're working 90 hours a week, you have to find someone very similar to you, because that's the person you want to talk to, because you know their pain points. So someone like me that works in healthcare, I know their frustration. They're tired of working long hours. They're tired of working weekends. They're tired of working holidays. They're tired of coming home and then their pager going off and they have to go back to work. So when you start talking their language, they're going to be like, what is Dee doing? She's doing something very interesting. And then she's also saying that she makes more money than she does at her day job. Well, they're probably going to be attracted to you and start following you, and then they're going to buy from you. So don't overcomplicate starting. I don't want to sit here and make it sound simple, but it's easy. So again, if you are ready to get started, comment ready, because I'm giving you basically a business in a box, a 90% done for you business that you just have to edit and you just have to show up here every single day. And it's probably going to take you anywhere between 1 to 3 hours starting out. After that, maybe you're going to get really, really good at creating the content and doing these videos, and maybe you can work 1 to 2 hours a day. It just depends on your work ethic, your lifestyle, and what you're doing. But anybody can do this. If I can do this, I'm just an average person. But if I can do this, so can you. So comment that you're ready, and I'll help you along the way.